welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect an account from Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna find options like Home, Messages, Search, Order, and User Icon. Tap on User Icon. There you'll find categories like My Fiverr, Settings, and Resources. Well, go ahead and tap on Preferences right under Settings. Now from Preferences, you're gonna have to select Security. Once you tap on Security, you'll find options like Connected Devices and Connected Accounts. Go ahead and select Connected Accounts. There you'll find the accounts that's connected to your Fiverr account. Now choose the account that you want to disconnect and swipe it left. Now tap on Disconnect and select Disconnect from that account from a screen, and you'll successfully disconnect that account from Fiverr. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.